Set go.
Ready, set, go. All right, we're here with Morgan. She is 40 weeks pregnant. Today is her actual due date, right?
Yes.
Today's her actual due date. She has been under chiropractic care for your whole pregnancy, even before that. And so she has had an interesting journey. She is doing a true natural childbirth. So you're doing a water birth,
Yes.
a doula water birth. Explain more.
Explain
All
more.
you're doing. And throughout your pregnancy, you had a good pregnancy.
Yeah, I had a very good pregnancy.
She had a really excellent pregnancy. She's eating well. She's getting adjusted. She lives a pretty clean lifestyle.
Yeah. I'm going to Elmer, which there's a hospital there. They go through Gentle Beginnings where they have a bunch of midwives. So I get to do a natural water birth through them, which is awesome. Especially in this area, it's like really hard to find, like in hospitals and stuff. So that's the path that I chose. And then Dr. Dave here has been helping me naturally keep everything aligned so that my pelvis and uterus is all set for when I deliver.
Yeah, she's done really good. And we were just talking about the bag she has packed in the car, and one of them is the snack bag that has what in it? Kale chips and
kale chips, dried fruit, my vegan protein shakes, and then my husband has all the junk food.
So there you go. That's what it takes to have an awesome pregnancy. So we're just going to adjust her, and she wants me to do whatever I can to get this little guy
baby cooking
out.
And you've also had some contractions already today.
Yes.
So
I've had them on and off for a couple days now. But
I'll come from behind here.
So, I mean, I've been adjusting her for her whole pregnancy, so I kind of be familiar with her spine. I'm just going to do a little check here, scope. I adjusted her yesterday. She wants to be checked every day. Get baby out.
Operation Get Baby
I think
Out.
that, yeah, she said Operation Get Baby Out. So some things about her spine. She's got a scoliosis. She's got a very big scoliosis.
Mm-hmm.
And so part of the reason why she's done well with care is getting adjusted throughout the whole pregnancy. If there's Gonstead chiropractors watching this, I'm going to get criticized for, going undershirt and all that stuff. So don't, get mad at me. This thing, for those of you who don't know, just helps read heat patterns when you have misalignments or there's stress in the nervous system or subluxation, misalignment. It gives off heat, abnormal from right to left, so instead of balanced reading, it'll skew one way or another. It tells me there's stress in the nervous system or in the spine there. And then I find those areas and see how they're moving. And whatever's not moving, whether there's muscle spasm or edema, is an area to adjust. So she's got a T5 here. And a right sacrum or ilium, one of those.
I'm going to move around a lot now.
Yeah, you can talk. We can have fun during this video.
Now, the areas of heat patterns that you found in her back, are any of them connected to the pregnancy per se? Like,
I mean, atlas, upper neck, that really has an influence over everything.
Mm-hmm.
So that can. She's got a left atlas here that's stuck.
I just think having that extra pressure and weight on your body has everything to do with,
Mm-hmm.
Plus, at this stage, you're not able to get comfortable, right, in sleeping and everything. So you're trying to get yourself in a comfortable position, and who knows what that is. And she's got a left atlas, a T5, and a right ilium. So that's what we're going to adjust first. And then she wants me to do whatever I can, pressure points or whatever. She said, just do whatever you can to
move it along.
Mission baby.
A little help never
Mission
hurt
baby
nobody.
We'll be using some essential oils. She already put this doTERRA Clary Calm on her, all over her. She wants to bathe in it. She wants to drain it. She's like,
Take a bath in it.
do whatever we can. So we're gonna go over here to this table.
I'll switch again.
So bring this table up so her belly can fit. For those of you who have never seen or believe that people that are actually pregnant, women that are pregnant,
She
Go on the
really
Yeah,
is
that's it.
pregnant, I swear. See?
we'll either put her on this table, and if it's too much pressure, we'll put her on that table, knee chest table.
It's been good so far.
But
though.
so far she's been okay. I've been able to crank this up, and then it goes down a little bit. It gives room for her belly, and I'll just have her move up to whatever's comfy, and ask her if she's comfy. You all right down there?
Yep.
All right. Any pressure, discomfort, just let me know. And so first we're going to adjust this L5. T5. Yes, I know the
Is that
spine.
the T8? No, just kidding.
So I'm going to just push this way a little bit down. So she's got a scoliosis this way, so I'm pushing down into the spine. And that's set pretty good. I don't want to over adjust her. When woman is, as she goes through pregnancy, spine, ligaments, there's ligament laxity, she's got a whole lot of hormonal things going on. So it doesn't take a lot. You don't need to use a lot of force. I adjust her knees, I adjust her feet. Not because she's pregnant, I do that on people in general. Now, from what we read, there's a trigger point here on the inner foot, and I'll be playing with those.
Yay.
Are you okay down there?
Yeah.
One of the few times a pregnant mom this stage can lay on her stomach. Does it
I
feel
miss
weird?
laying on my stomach.
Does it feel weird
honestly.
laying on your stomach?
It
She's
feels-
like, oh, can I sleep here?
Yeah, I would.
We won't tell anyone that you can't wait to have a glass of wine at some point finally.
Or two.
They technically say that like 6 ounces is safe, but we'll wait till it's bad.
My girlfriend drank a glass of wine every day through all her pregnancies. She's the doctor. One glass of wine every
Think
day.
about what they do in Italy. I'm sure they
Yeah.
all drink. You know?
In Italy, they can't give up their paisano and
Right.
Rossi. And,
This baby's Italian, so.
this baby's Italian. So I'm just pushing on some trigger points here on the inner part of the ankle and leg. Why? Because Google told me that these are trigger points to induce labor. And Morgan showed me a couple that she wants me to do. So
We're really
we're
following
adding
the
stuff
pregnancy
in.
mom's
We're
lead.
yeah.
Because we're going to get a text in about 2 hours that says I'm in labor.
Come adjust the baby.
Any of these tender in here?
Yeah,
So I actually feel like little trigger points over here.
that's great. Yeah, I was not pressing on the correct spots. I was just pressing anywhere.
That's actually something Dr. Davey could probably tell our watchers here, that once Morgan has her baby, she would like Dr. Dave to come as soon as possible, sooner versus later, to adjust this bouncing baby. Can we say what it is?
No.
No.
Or you can say it's a boy. It's not
Yeah.
something.
Yeah. What it is? This bouncing baby boy.
I actually don't even know his name.
Oh, okay.
Well, we'll tell you after the taping.
You were keeping that quiet, weren't you, for a little while, or no?
I don't know. It just gets weird at a point where people, I don't know, try to steal your baby name and
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.
Or they get judgmental about it.
Judgmental about your baby name?
No, people do.
Really?
Yeah. So we're just gonna keep it quiet until he was born. I mean, our
Just-
immediate family knows, but
Pumping her right side joint a little bit, getting some motion into there. I'll be adjusting that over there, but I'm going to bring Miss Morgan up. And I'm going to turn her around.
Look at how that belly just sits right there.
That'd be great. I'm really good at stuff like that.
It's like, I needed this at home.
So it's been hard to do myself.
Don't say that to me. She's a stomach sleeper, and I'm supposed to yell at her for
I know.
being a stomach sleeper.
Well, no, I was before pregnancy, but now it's like
I know,
you
that's
sleep
what I
on the
mean.
side and you get your hip goes numb. It's like a mess.
I've had to retrain myself from being a stomach sleeper too, so.
Is it not good?
Not good for your neck, not good for your back.
That's why I have neck and back
Yeah.
problems.
I think
That's
it's
what I have you for.
gravity's pulling everything down.
Yeah.
Hey, all us stomach
What's the best
sleepers keep
position
doing
to sleep?
You have
business.
to rotate your head to breathe, so it stresses out
Is
your
the
neck.
best position to sleep on your back like
On
this?
your back, sometimes with a pillow under your
I
knees
could
to
never
relieve
do
pressure
that.
off your lower back, or on your side with a pillow between your
Yeah,
knees.
that's what I've been doing now.
Pillow between your knees prevents your hips from rotating and putting stress on the lower back. Now I'm just checking her feet, feeling for what needs to be adjusted in her feet. Being a little over here. So grab the foot and pull. Same thing.
Doesn't that feel great?
Yeah.
I love that.
I know people neglect the
And
feet
just
so much,
mobilize.
and I'm like, it's the greatest adjustment.
I've had new patients and told them about their feet and their knees, and they're like, "What?" That have had previous chiropractic
Yeah.
care, and they're
No,
like,
before I came here, nobody
"What?"
ever adjusted my feet. Yay!
So this is, we're gonna put some Clary Sage on the bottom of her feet. Clary Calm by doTERRA.
There's clary sage in it.
There's Clary Sage in it. There's a whole bunch of things. This is really good for women with cramps too.
Yeah.
Menstrual cycle, like cramping, PMS, things of that nature. Really helps out.
Helps ground and
Does it help with
calm.
night sweats too? Like
Helps with menopause.
menopause.
Yeah.
But putting oils on the bottom of the feet, they're absorbed quickly. Make sure it's coming. Is it coming out?
Yeah, I think so.
Now it is. I didn't have it tilted right. Stop distracting me with that.
There's no more left. It's all gone.
Use it all.
And what's that?
This is lavender. I don't know if there's lavender in there. There might be.
There is.
They said to put lavender too.
Did they?
Yes. And I'll just I'll do some massage. I'll massage this into the bottom of her feet.
You're getting a
And
treatment
trigger,
tonight,
and
Morgan.
supposedly there are trigger points on the bottom of the feet too. So I'll push on those too.
I'm sure she's like, please don't stop. That feels wonderful.
Well, I wonder what this is going to do to me. Let's stop with my my cramps and mine. What is Clary Calm going to do?
I think it
do
just
to
is
me?
calming. You'll just sleep
Yeah,
good tonight.
Yeah, you're gonna sleep good tonight. That's for sure. Just don't touch your eyes, okay?
Right.
Please. He's done that
You've
so
done
many
that
times.
before?
Yeah.
I've put peppermint or lavender or
Oh,
something on
that's the
someone, and then
worst.
I'll
That's
or
true.
deep blue, which is like,
Oh.
and then it'll be like hours later, and I'll
I've done that
accidentally do
before.
it, and I'll be like, oh my goodness.
Putting biofreeze on my husband's back,
Yeah.
and I've definitely rubbed myself in the eye and been like, ow.
I'll tell you what, it smells good in this room.
I'm a peppermint fan. I love doTERRA's
I love peppermint,
oil.
too.
I don't know
Peppermint is
why.
good.
It's just so energizing and
It's in
I
my
did
diffuser all the
Clarity.
time.
For breech babies, they'll put peppermint
Yeah.
on the top of their belly to try to get them to turn it over.
I've read that too for delivery, like trying to
Yeah.
induce.
I wonder why. They don't like it.
It's too Too potent.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe she's like, oh wow, just
Whoa,
like rubbing your
let me
eye
get a-
with the peppermint.
Let me get away from that. She's got a little inner knee. I'm just gonna traction her little knee here and open that up a bit.
Well, you're certainly ready to go.
Hi. Hi in there. Come on. We're ready for you.
Down and out.
The exit is this way. Freedom is over here. I know it's nice and warm in there. Who wants to leave probably? You're fed and you're
Stop! You're not helping.
nice and warm. It's better out here though.
You're right. I'm gonna stay here a little longer.
You know why it's better out here? You'll get hugs and kisses and all kinds of love. that
And
you can't-
adjusted.
And you can't get it.
Sally will get to hold him.
Yes. I can't wait. Sally loves the babies.
I'm sure she's getting all my great angles right now. Dolphin. Check.
She came in like what, a few weeks ago, and her feet were so swollen,
Yeah.
and then she got adjusted, and like
The next
pretty
day.
much the next day they
Yeah.
were back to not being swollen.
If not a couple hours after.
It
they were
was
better.
She came in saying, "My body's not my own anymore."
I'm like, whose body is this? All that pressure and weight is just a lot on the feet and knees and ankles.
I'm just feeling here trigger points, tension, stress. That's all. Trying to release anything that. But she feels pretty good.
See you tomorrow morning.
I hope so. Yeah, that feels a little tender there.
You got a little trigger point here. I'm gonna hold for a minute or two, or 10 seconds.
Shall we all count? No, I'm just kidding. Careful touching your eyes, Morgan, because you have it on your hands too.
I think I already,
It's too late.
yeah. That's why I keep touching my eyes. Cause
Well, I think there's
first
some
time-
saline in the bathroom if you need it.
Okay.
We'll dump some coconut oil in your eye.
We're a mess.
You can't put oil in that, remember? Water. Don't wash your eyes with water. Oil and water don't mix. Sometimes it actually makes it worse.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Have
you're
you-
supposed to.
Saline
you're supposed
isn't
to
okay?
put- I don't know if
Have you
saline's
tried
right.
this
I think
before?
coconut oil.
Oh,
You learn from experience.
In
what
the
not
eye?
to do.
Coconut oil in the eye?
No, maybe on the outside, not in
Okay.
the eye. No.
I was like, wait a second.
If it's really bothering you, or just kind of let it go for now. You know.
Okay.
I don't know if saline would work. I don't know if that's a good idea.
you might be right.
Since oil and water don't mix well, I don't know if oil and saline mix well.
I would just think, how else would you flush it out, you know?
Now you put this stuff on your belly and all that.
I
don't
did,
want to sit
yeah.
here and.
No, you don't have to rub me like Buddha.
I don't mind. Let's do it on camera. Let's all pray and.
And rub Buddha with some Larry Calm.
We're gonna go over to that table.
And everyone watching is going, yeah, I want to go there.
He's
About
great.
saying, right now, what a wacky place.
Oh, wait, where am I going?
Over there. This one's kind of hard to get.
So I'm just going to adjust her right pelvis. Because that's what I'm feeling. I'll tell her, don't worry, I'm going to roll you towards me. I won't drop you on the floor. You may feel some pressure in your belly, but you're okay. If anything really hurts, just let me know. But I'm going to try and get over you enough to just push. Good. Good job.
How did that feel?
Great.
Sounded like it felt
I'm
good.
going to go back over here.
she's exhausted.
You need to get like those microphones, like to put around the joint, so like when it
Yeah.
magnifies.
Yeah. Well, because
Do
people
they
want to
have
hear the
those?
I
audible.
think that's what I see in other videos that
Maybe.
people do. You know, they put
Yeah.
the microphone there and then you hear like.
People
My
want to
mom
hear
is
the
not
audible.
Like that. She can't handle that sound.
Your mother?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. She's horrified
You know,
by it.
you've seen her. She's a mess.
So this is so Morgan doesn't run away,
I don't think you've done this to me
or
before.
for safe driving, safe adjusting. Keep her in a chair. No, it keeps her in a chair. Adjust her left atlas. I do adjustments sitting to feel me. And drop your left shoulder, and you're just gonna feel me push this way.
That was a good one.
Good job.
Maybe I heard the audible. I got up and close.
Maybe you heard it. You're not
Yeah, got all that in. No, I'm just kidding.
sure. Sorry, at this point, it's like too pregnant to care.
Yeah, wait till you give birth.
Yeah.
You're not gonna care.
That feels better. Let me post check, make sure everything's moving. Everything's moving. And for posture, just get our shoulders.
You're literally gonna have like the easiest birth because you've been adjusted
I hope so.
the whole time.
I mean, it's been a pretty easy pregnancy, so I hope that.
She's had a great pregnancy. I mean, literally no
Yeah.
issues, no problems, like no major issues at all. But most women do when they get adjusted throughout their pregnancy and live a healthy lifestyle. Like she's done really well, living clean, living good, eating
Yeah.
great.
Like I just stopped exercising. I think like in my third trimester, I was doing like light stuff, but you know, you get to the point where it's more like walking and
Yeah.
things like that. But I pretty much worked out like all through it.
Yeah, I talk about, I think, the model,
Mhm.
a model of how to,
Mhm.
Yeah.
I don't want to say get pregnant, go through a pregnancy.
Mhm.
But you don't have to eat cheeseburgers and sugar and cravings and
I
junk
didn't
food
even
and
have
all that stuff.
I didn't even like have cravings through my
Yeah.
pregnancy, to be honest.
So,
I think one time I made my husband run out to get Walmart at like 11 o'clock at night, but that was like watermelon, you know? Like,
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Mostly, go to Walmart. It's
And get me
He
a
went to
watermelon.
Walmart, that's where he went.
I
'cause
want,
it was
I
open.
want watermelon.
For my pregnant wife.
Yeah, for my pregnant
Not
wife.
pickles and cream cheese.
Pickles and cream cheese. I haven't heard of that one.
I didn't have
I've never
that.
heard of pickles.
I didn't
Not
have
pickles,
that.
Yeah, but cream cheese
Yep, pickles and cream cheese.
together.
Yeah,
I've
one of
heard of
my
pickles
one of
and
my
ice
girlfriends
cream.
was a pickles and cream cheese. Oh. No, my thing was barbecue potato chips.
Really?
That was my
I
only.
don't know. I
craving.
really haven't been eating any different. It's weird.
Okay, got anything to say, everybody?
That was it. We are waiting for little guy to come. I don't know his name yet, but I'll find out hopefully
Waiting
soon.
for his arrival.
And thank you for doing this.
Thank
I
you.
wish you an awesome delivery, and maybe we'll be back with baby at some point.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.